Hello guys, welcome back to the Chinese 𝐼𝐿 𝐶𝐒𝐃. It has been a while for me to record videos for you. I have been so busy during Chinese New Year and after Chinese New Year. Everything needs to go back to normal. 我去咗寶林寺拜佛，同埋陪屋企人去睇牙醫、睇醫生。Wow, it's so busy. And beside of this, 我一直都喺度上課。I keep having a class. Lately, I'm recruiting some basic Cantonese learner. If you're interested in having a group lesson with me, don't hesitate to contact me and I will provide some details with you. Before we have already learned 30 basic words. Today, we are going to learn another 10. The first one, to use or to spend, we can use 用. For example, if your laptop is broken, and if you want to use your sister's laptop, you can say 我部電腦壞咗，所以我用咗你部電腦。我部電腦壞咗，所以我用咗你部電腦。我部電腦 my laptop, my computer. 壞咗 broken. Because broken is the past tense, so here we use the past tense 咗。所以 so 用咗 used。你部電腦 your computer. 我部電腦壞咗，所以我用咗你部電腦。My computer is broken, so I used your computer. Or we can use it in the structure. It takes how long to do something. For example, 我每日用1個鐘嚟跑步。我每日用1個鐘嚟跑步。用 here is like in English. Takes, spend, 每日 every day. 1個鐘 an hour 嚟 two, it act a function. 跑步 running. 我每日用1個鐘嚟跑步。I spend an hour running every day. 我每日用1個鐘嚟跑步。Or we can use it to describe use money, spend money. For example, 我用咗1000蚊嚟租屋。我用咗1000蚊嚟租屋。1000蚊 1000. 租屋 rent a house. 我用1000蚊嚟租屋。I spent $1,000 renting a house. Here, 用嚟 After 嚟 we will add the function. Use something to do something. 用 something 嚟 do something. The second one, summer in Guangdong is super hot. So you would like to swim. 游水 We don't say 游泳 is a written form in Cantonese. We will say 游水. For example, 我唔識游水。唔識 don't know. 游水 swim. 我唔識游水 I don't know how to swim. So if you travel in Hong Kong, you can tell people 我唔識講廣東話 I don't know how to speak Cantonese. Number 3, have 有 For example, I can say I have a cat. 我有一隻貓，佢叫毛毛。我有一隻貓，佢叫毛毛。一隻貓 a cat. 叫 be called. 毛毛 Fluffy. 我有一隻貓，佢叫毛毛。I have a kitten and her name is Fluffy. Do you still remember her? So 有 means have, but sometimes 有 add 能 can become an adjective. For example, 有錢 rich. 佢好有錢 he is rich. There are more similar expressions like 有能力 capable. 我好有能力 I'm very capable. Or pregnant. 有咗 BB. 有咗 BB. Be pregnant. 佢有咗 BB. She is pregnant. 有病 it means sickness. So 有病 actually it means insane. But be careful, sometimes my student want to express he is sick lately. So he will say 我今個禮拜有病. For us, what you express is You are cuckoo this week. If you really want to say you are sick, it's better for you to use 唔舒服，唔舒服。我今個禮拜唔舒服，我今個禮拜唔舒服。Next one, remember 記得，記得，記得 is remember. So how to say forget? 唔記得，唔記得。Some students have learned Mandarin before. Maybe they will say 忘記，忘記。Don't say that. It's too written. We just say 唔記得 for the word of forget. For example, I don't remember to turn off the light. 我唔記得熄燈，我唔記得熄燈，熄燈，熄燈 turn off the light. 我唔記得熄燈 I forget to turn off the light. Or sometimes if your teacher reveal some words with you and you forgot, you can tell your teacher 我唔記得咗，我唔記得咗 I forgot. Next one, 等，等 to wait. If you are late for your date, you can tell your friend 你到啦，你等我一陣啦，我即刻嚟。你到啦，你等我一陣啦，我即刻嚟。你到啦，你到啦。You have arrived. 等我一陣，等我一陣，一陣 for a while, for a second. 即刻，即刻 right away. Like come. 你到啦，你等我一陣啦，我即刻嚟。You have arrived? Wait for me a sec. I will be right there. Next one, let's learn something related to weather. Fall, 落，落。So 落 is quite common when we talk about the weather. 落 it means fall, going down. So 落雨，落雨 rain. 落雪，落雪 snow. How about get off the car? 落車，落車，車 car. Go downstairs. 落樓，落樓樓 is like stairs, floor. Have you heard of a nursery song? 有隻雀仔跌落水，跌落水，跌落水。This song is called 有隻雀仔跌落水。So 落水，落水 fall into the water, go down into the water. You can check this song later. Next one, send. 發 After class, I will always send my student their customized notes. So send 發 Sometimes I will be a little bit late, so you can remind me. And then I could say 你趕住要啊，我而家發俾你。你趕住要啊，我而家發俾你。趕住 in a hurry. 要 want. 而家 now. 發 send 俾 to 你 you. 你趕住要啊，我而家發俾你。Are you in a hurry to get this file? I will say it to you now. 發 something 俾 somebody. Send something to somebody. So how to say reply? 覆 Because of time difference, sometimes I may forget to reply you. So the next day I might say 尋日太忙啦，所以唔記得覆你。尋日太忙啦，所以唔記得覆你。尋日 yesterday 太忙 too busy. 所以 so 唔記得 forget 覆 reply 你。尋日太忙啦，所以唔記得覆你。I was too busy yesterday, so I forgot to reply you. So if I really forgot to 覆你, please remind me again, okay? Next one, the easy one. Before we learn how to say sit, 坐. So how about stand? It will be 企 is stand. So right now, lots of people like to take photos, right? So how could we give instructions to our friends to stand closer? If we want this person stand further, we can say 企過啲 過 here means further. But what if you want them to stand closer? 企埋啲 Here, 埋 it means close. The last one, everyone's favorite. 玩 play. we have different words for play in Chinese. If you forget, please check this link above. 玩 is quite general for play. Normally play games. Sometimes I'm curious what my teenage student playing. I could ask them. 你近排玩緊咩啊？你近排玩緊咩啊？近排 recently 玩緊continuous tense 咩 what 你近排玩緊咩啊？ What are you playing right now? The other word for play, it will be play basketball 打波 play soccer we need kick, right? We need kick. So tag ball play football, play piano 彈琴 play video games 打機 That's what we learned today. If you are interested in my group sessions of basic Cantonese, please contact me by WhatsApp. Thanks for your watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.